Hi folks, thanks for tuning in. It's Rick from AC Poker Refrigeration. Today we're in the middle of installing a central air conditioning unit. Took one out and we're installing a new one. Got the air handler in place, the ductwork for the line. New diffusers, plastic, never rust. Thermostat, Honeywell. New vent for the bathroom with a hose, ducting it outside. Here's the attic where the unit is. Here's what we've got so far. Got the trunk in, air handler placed, and we're going to run the line set next, get that connected, get the outside condenser unit hooked up, get it vacuumed down, and then put the trunk lines in with the flex duct, and the return goes here. All right, folks, I want to thank you for tuning in. If you need an AC install, give us a call at 484-764-7738. Give you the best price we can do, and we match prices if possible, or actually go lower. So like I said, next we're going to run the line set up, get that in there, and then all you need, I'll get that. Give us a call, folks.